Hello everybody, Dadas here, and today is Wednesday, the 30th of September, so it is the last day of September, the last day of the month, and we are doing the daily recap for today. Like I say, I stream all my trades live, so you can join me on my Discord server, on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and the link is below in the descriptions. So you can join me. You can join and look at my screen. You can ask questions either by text or by voice chat, and we can do some analysis for you. In my Polish video, I'm talking about one specific case of one recent user that just joined our group, and I'm specifically addressing some of his issues. I will not address those issues in the English video because I don't really have an idea if he understands English or not. Well, I know for sure that he understands Polish. Anyways, as far as the DAX 30 today, well, basically, like I said yesterday, today is the final day of the month, so it is the building of the monthly candle. And now we can see that since the market still hasn't closed yet, it's about 20 minutes to the close of the market. So actually the monthly candle has not been formed yet. It, about 10 minutes ago, it looked like maybe the price would be going up, but now the price actually opened up with a little gap down because there was a half-hour break. And now, yeah, you can see that right here on the mini chart. And well, now during those 20 minutes, not very much usually happens, so we'll see. Anyways, it very much looks like the monthly candle is going to be something of a harami type candle with pretty long wicks, right? But still somebody, right? Now the weekly candle is still bullish. Sorry, the weekly candle is still bullish, like in the pullback of the previous bearish one. Now the daily one is bearish. It looks decisively bearish, but on the daily one, it's in a pullback of a bullish trend. So basically, the H4 looks pretty bearish. So yeah. On the H4, the whole thing looks pretty bearish. So, because basically, the market was oscillating around a specific resistance, and it looks like this resistance has been defended as a resistance, right? So there was a break of this of the support, and the support became resistance after a while, because for quite a long time it was just the price was just jumping around, oscillating around this level, this pivot level at this moment, right? Yeah. So what happened today? We can see the basic move of the day was practically done during the Asian sessions. So during the night, and on the opening of the London session, the price and a little bit after, the price retested the Dadas pivot level right here, and it bounced off and started going down. Now I got up a bit late today. I mean, not so very late, but a bit later than 10 o'clock. So one of my neighbors woke me up anyway. So around this moment, I was trying to figure out what's gonna happen, and my first thought was towards a bullish trend. But then I figured out that it would be more likely for the price to go down. So I entered a bearish trade. And in the beginning, the price didn't go my direction. but then it turned around and started going down. So basically, for a moment, it looked very good, and it looked like because the price, after this pullback upwards, the price started going down pretty lively, I would say, right? Pretty lively, and so I was pretty optimistic. My take profit was pretty far away. Of course, it's not that I was expecting to get that take profit, but I was expecting to get more pips right here. So at a certain moment, I just trailed my stop loss to this area right here, and then the price all of a sudden very quickly turned around and took out my break-even plus. That's what I got. So basically, after this price action, it became pretty clear that the bullish option was the better one. So I turned around and went in bullish, and I closed. And again, this price right here went up very, very lively and very quickly. I just decided to close it. That's it. It went up higher, so I could have made probably twice as much. And we can see that my take profit was right here, and the price did reach my take profit, but it didn't really matter to me because after the candle, when the price started going down, right here, basically nobody knew whether the price would go up or down after this, because from looking at the tops, we had a bearish trend. Looking at the bottoms, we had a bullish trend. So we had something like a tenant or whatever. So basically, no information which direction. The only so basically what happened here is this scenario, and yeah, this scenario pretty much played out. The price reached the take profit level ultimately, right? So basically, that's a pretty that would have been a pretty nice one for somebody who was more patient than me, of course. And another way to look at it was from here, where when the price broke out, somebody could have taken a trade, which would have been a pretty quick one too. Now, as far as a short is concerned, then obviously the context to look for short is right there, right? And of course, after the break right here, so this level is pretty much the same as the Dada's pivot level that was broken and then tried as support and broken again, broken down, and tried as resistance, and the price went down. So basically, this was a potential moment to go short. Now I decided not to trade, and that's all. That's it, right? So the nice thing is that today I got 2 trades, and both of them successful, and that's the thing that counts. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks a lot. I mean, the other situations that I talked about were situations on the USD Japanese yen, and on the British pound to the American dollar, where we were doing some analysis because our friend had some positions and things like that. So basically this is one of the benefits of you becoming my patron or supporting me directly through my PayPal, because then I will be able to devote time for you individually, right? Individually, you can get my advice, not exactly advice, but my trainings, I would say, right? My webinars, my seminars, my trainings. Individual coaching, that I will call individual coaching, individual help. I can explain to you. I will devote you time specifically for you, live time, where we can discuss things, and you know, and I will actually show you what it is about. Okay, so like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. Become my patron or support me directly through PayPal. And have a good time. Be careful, watch yourself, stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye.